right, we do have some breaking news just in that we've just learned Metro Airport has reopened after being temporarily shut down due to the weather, so that's certainly good news.
A sign that things are improving,
Yes.
and maybe now, because we kept talking about how it was just coming down too fast for the plows to be ahead of it. Maybe now they're getting a little bit on
Right,
the
and
other
now
side.
that most people are off the roads, they can really get out there, which is why we encourage people not to go out. But there are people that still have to work. I mean, they have overnight shifts. We need doctors and nurses and police officers and first
Airport
responders.
workers.
All those essential workers.
Airport workers, all the essential workers. You know, not everyone gets to stay in their homes. So that's why we want to just kind of temper that, and hopefully you can stay home. But if not, here's what you can expect. On Exact Track 40 radar, the heaviest snow continues to be in parts of Macomb County at this hour, right along I-94 from New Baltimore down to Mount Clemens, through the Grosse Pointes, and then into, again, Hamtramck, downtown Detroit, and parts of Wayne County on the east side. But you go just to the west a bit, and in Livonia, Taylor, out at the airport, Canton, Northville, Novi, improving conditions. So it's still snowing there, but certainly not at the rate that it was earlier. At one point, we had snowfall rates over 2 inches per hour. So it did total up very, very quickly. Still kind of concerned about Monroe only because of the flooding right along the lakeshore there, but the snow is starting to taper off. And obviously we have had so many power outages. Continuing to monitor this map as now we have well over 200,000 people without power, the majority of which in Wayne County, the most populated county, followed by Oakland County, but even Macomb and Washtenaw counties seeing several power outages tonight, many in the same areas that we had from that ice storm. The winter storm warning remains into effect until 4 a.m., not because of what's falling now, but what's already on the ground. Even though we'll have light snow overnight, the roads are still a mess, so that's why they're continuing that until at least 4 a.m. Something we don't talk about a lot, a lakeshore flood warning. I'd mentioned the flooding in Monroe right along the lake. We've had wind gusts out of the east as high as 30 to 40 miles per hour, so that push of Lake Erie water in the western basin got as high as 6 to 8 feet. So lots of street flooding if you are near the lake in Monroe. Winds today reached about 45 miles per hour downtown, 43 at Metro, 41 in Ann Arbor. So it wasn't just that heavy snow. It was a combination of the snow and the wind that for some time caused blizzard-like conditions. But improving tonight as that snow peels away, and back behind it, high pressure will take over and bring us a little sunshine for the weekend. Right now, temperatures are at or just above freezing, and that's where we expect them to stay. So there goes the snow overnight tonight. By tomorrow morning when you wake up, it'll be pretty cloudy, but throughout the day we should see more in the way of sunshine. Snow totals tomorrow morning. We'll get the official numbers tomorrow, but for right now we're looking probably at around 8 inches in Mount Clemens and Pontiac, up to 9 inches in Howell. So certainly a lot of heavy snow here in Metro Detroit, but it's 17 days until spring. Headed in the right direction. It does snow in spring, but you know, 31, snow tapering down tonight. So
Killjoy.
the winds are also going to calm down just a little bit, a touch warmer tomorrow afternoon. Not enough to melt all the snow, but certainly it will help this weekend having dry and warm conditions. And then we may have to worry about some flooding, because on Monday we expect rain could be heavy at times in addition to all this snow melt. And there's only so much the ground can take. But our immediate concern, obviously, those heavy roads, you know, all the heavy snow on the roads and shoveling such heavy snow.
Exactly right.